Hello, how are you? That's home for summer, Samir. There is so much window. Do you know how to go? Door is other side. The pink one. Here. Hello. It's so funny. Hey, here. If you want to sell something, you can sell here. Let me tell you. Here, come on. Here. Hey. Hello. Can you give me some hot dog, please?
Some hot dog.
Thank you. Oh, shop is open. Oh my goodness. And see, this is a star. This is triangle. This is hexagon. So many squares.
Hey, what do you want food?
I want pizza and
Hot dog and bring some.
Yes.
Now let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Hello.
I'm over here.
Oh my God, you're my star. Yeah. You want another counter here?
Yeah, I can go there.
Do you guys want light inside your room?
Yeah.
Okay, let me bring the light. Hello guys. Here is light for you. You can keep light inside, okay? Hello, here is another light, please. Huh. Yeah. So he's just trying to play. So, it's coming. Hello. Hi. Welcome to our house, guys. Rectangle window, circle window, square window, hexagon window, star window, triangle window.
Ice cream for you.
You are making ice cream for me?
Yeah.
Please give me. Thank you so much.
What's your flavor?
I want some chocolate, vanilla, mango, strawberry, and everything little.
Here.
Oh, so fast.
Hello.
Do you want to come in the tent?
Your tent is very small. I cannot come inside.
Tomorrow we can
Yeah,
take
tomorrow.
this house more house.
Yeah, can I have
Sit down.
strawberry flavor ice cream for you?
Yeah. I can take some all the fully bags.
Yeah, I am also coming out.
No, you're not getting out.
Why?
You're coming